Hello, Mary. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Yes. How are
Look
you
ready
today,
for
Mary?
movers.
I'm good.
Very good. All right. So, what's the weather right now, Mary?
It's sunny.
Wow, nice. Okay, now I want you to look at your book. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Wow, great. So, we are now in Unit 4.2, page 28 to 35. So, it's all about reading and speaking, which is very focused in grammar. Okay, now we are going to learn when to use there is and there are. Listen carefully. We use there is if it's only one, and we use there are if there are many. All right, Mary?
Yeah.
Very good. So if I say apple, then that is there is. Example, there is an apple. Okay. But if I say apple with S, then I say there are apples. All right, Mary?
Yeah.
Great. So we use there is if it is singular. That means one. And we use there are if it's plural. That means many. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Very good, Mary. Okay, now let's look at the sentence in here. Okay, there is plus singular noun. When we say singular noun, that means only one. Okay, now look and read. There is,
There is a book on the desk.
very good. And look, we use there are plus plural noun. When we say plural, that means two or more. That means many. Okay, now look and read.
There are books on the desk.
Great. Now let's make a sentence using there is and there are. Example, there is a child inside the bedroom. What's your sentence?
There is the rug. There is a rug next to the. Oh no, that is a rug under the table.
Well done, Mary. And let's make there are. Example, there are children at the playground.
There are two dogs in my house.
Wow, very good. Okay, now we also have there is plus uncountable noun. All right, now, teacher AM, what is uncountable noun? When we say uncountable, that means we cannot count it. Okay, now what is an example of uncountable noun? So we have water. Can we count the water? No, we
No.
cannot. Okay. What else? Juice. Can we count the juice?
No.
Very good, Mary. Okay. Now we also have love. Can we count the love?
No.
No. Even the air. Can we count the air?
No.
Great. So what do we call them? They are all uncountable noun. All right.
No.
Very good. Now look and read. So for uncountable noun, we say is, then some. Now look and read. There is some.
There is some milk in the fridge.
Very good. Now let's make a sentence using there is plus uncountable noun. Example, there is some juice in a cup. What's your sentence?
There is some. mm, There is some. Uh, there is some bread. Uh, there is some bread in the table.
Very good. Okay. Now, let's look at this one. So, by the way, when we say affirmative, Mary, these are what we call positive sentence. All right?
Yeah.
Okay. And when we say negative sentence, negative sentence, that means there is not in a sentence. Look at the example. There isn't. Okay, when we say isn't, that's the same thing with is not. All right? And when we say aren't, that's the same with are not.
No.
So isn't, is not, aren't, are not. Okay, Mary? Great. Now look, we have there isn't plus singular noun. So look and read.
There isn't a pen on the table.
Very good. So my sentence is there isn't a cat under the table. What's your sentence?
There aren't. Uh, there aren't bookshelves. There aren't bookshelves in my bedroom.
All right. Thank you for that one, Mary. Say that again. There aren't bookshelf in my bedroom.
There aren't bookshelves in my bedroom.
That's right. Bookshelves. Great. Okay. Now what about isn't plus uncountable noun? Example, there isn't any juice in the fridge. Now my sentence is there isn't any jam inside the bottle.
Uh, there isn't any meat in the fridge.
Very good. Okay, by the way, Mary, when we say is then uncountable noun, we use some. There is some. But if it's going to be a negative sentence, we say any. Is that clear, Mary?
Yeah.
Do you have any question?
Mm.
Great. Now let's look at this one. I want you to look and read. We use any.
We use any in this negative sentence and questions.
Very good. I want you to say sentences.
Sentences.
Great job. So, what are negative sentences? Okay, we can say that a sentence is negative because of the word not. Then we use any for that. Example, there isn't any juice inside the fridge. There aren't any children in the park. And we also use any when we ask question, is there any cat in your bedroom? Are there any apples on the tree? Like that. Okay? Now, what's your sentence using any in a question?
Mm. We use any in these negative sentences and questions.
Oh, hold on. Can you make a sentence using any?
Um, there isn't any. There isn't any. No, there isn't any. Uh, there isn't
You can say, is there?
Is there any mm, is there any mm, is there any food in
Very good.
on the plate?
That's right, Mary. Thank you for that one, Mary. Okay, now let's play a game. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Perfect. Now look and complete the sentence.
There are apples on the ground.
Very good. You've got 1 star for that. Okay, now Mary, can you tell me why do you use there are?
Because on the tree it has 10 apples.
Very good. You're smart. Okay, what about this one, Mary?
There is an apple tree nearby.
Very good. Okay, now can you tell me why do we say there is?
Because the mm, because the boy is uh the boy is have one apple.
Yes, because the boy has only 1 apple, and also there is only 1 apple tree. All right. Now, what about this one, Mary?
There aren't a math lesson today.
There aren't a math lesson today. Okay, isn't or aren't? What's your final answer, Mary?
There aren't.
All right, nice try, Mary. We have there isn't. Now, teacher, why do we say isn't? Because there's only one math lesson. Yes, unless if we say lessons, then that is aren't. Okay, what about this one, Mary?
There isn't any children here.
Very good. Now look, we have the subject children. Okay, how many children? When we say children, is this singular or plural? Many or one?
Many.
Many. So since many, okay, that is children, what are you going to say? Isn't or aren't?
Are.
Very good. Okay, now teacher, when can we say there isn't? When we say child. There isn't any child here. Child is one, children is many. Okay. For this one, you've got another 1 star, Mary. Okay, what about this one, Mary?
There isn't a girl making a snowman.
All right. Let's see. There isn't a girl making a snowman. That's right, Mary. 1 star again. What about this one?
Mm, There, there isn't any mm, uh, story town to read.
Okay, let's try. Ta-da-da-dang, ta-dang. Oh no, sorry. Ta-da-da-dang, ta-dang. Nice try. We have aren't. Now, why is it aren't? Because we have very tales. Okay, it has S. So that means many stories of fairy tale. What about this one, Mary?
There is a boy playing at the beach.
All right. There is a boy playing at the beach. Very good. That's one star. Okay, what about this one, Mary?
There, there aren't there aren't any teachers in the classroom.
Very good. Okay, another one star for you. What about this one? Pirate.
There, there is a parrot on the island.
Yes, very good, Mary. Okay, but I want you to say island. Island.
Island.
Great. Even though that the spelling has S, we pronounce it or we read it without S. Silent S. Island. All right, Mary?
Yeah.
Very good. So you've got one star for that. What about this one, Mary?
There aren't any girls at the bus stop.
Very good. Wow. What about this?
There are many teachers in my school.
Okay, there are many pupils in my school. Hmm, very good. Okay, one star again. What about this?
There is a girl behind the books.
That is right. Great job, Mary. That's another one star. Okay, what about this one? Oh, wow, we are done, Mary. Okay, great job because you've got most of the answers correct in here. So here are all the stars that you've got in that game. Now, let's look at this reading. So what are you going to do? You're going to look at the two pictures in here. Then you read the sentences. Then you're going to tell me whether what picture is the sentence describing. Is it picture A or picture B? Now let's look at the example. There are two chairs. So in which picture does it have two chairs? We have,
A picture A.
that's right. What about number two? There's a blue blanket on the bed. What picture is it?
This picture B.
Very good. Okay. What about number three? There are two pictures above the bed.
Um, there is picture A.
All right. There are two
No,
pictures
B.
above the bed. That's letter B. Very good. Okay, number four, there's a bat on the desk.
Mm, mm, um, picture B.
All right. So that's letter A. There's a bat on the desk. Now help me find the bat. Where is the desk? It's right here, and the bat is on the desk, like a baseball bat. What about number five? There aren't any books.
A.
Wow,
No, B, 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 B,
that's
B.
letter B. Very good. Okay, number six. There's a plant with red flowers.
Mm, A.
Wow, nice, Mary. Okay, seven. There isn't a lamp.
Mm, picture A.
Wow, very good. Okay, there are two CDs next to
The
the laptop.
picture, picture B. Picture B.
All right.
Picture A.
Nine. There isn't a TV.
Picture B. Picture B.
10. There's a comic under the bed.
Picture A.
Well done, Mary. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stars. Okay, so that's perfect. 10 out of 10. All right, Mary. Now look at this one. Wow. What rooms can you see in the picture?
I can see the living room, kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom.
That's right. So in here, I want you to read and choose yes or no. Okay. Now look, there are three pictures in the house.
Um, um, mm, no,
Is that a no? Very good. How many pictures are there?
there are two pictures.
That's right, Mary. All right. Now, there are two chairs in the kitchen.
Mm, no,
Very good. All right. Now look, there is an oven in the kitchen.
yes,
That's right, Mary. Okay, there is a pie in the oven.
yes,
Wow, nice. Okay, there is a cat in the living room.
no.
Very good. What can you see there?
We can see the dog.
That's right. Okay. Now there is a sink in the bathroom.
Mm, yeah,
Very good, Mary. Okay, now there is a bathtub in the bathroom.
yes,
Nice. Okay, there is a lamp in the living room.
mm, yeah,
Very good. There are two people in the house.
uh, no.
Nice. Okay. Oh, actually, yes, very. How many people are there?
There are three people.
Very good. There are four rooms in the house.
Yeah,
That's right. Lastly, there is a shower in the bathroom.
no.
Very good. Now, Mary, one last question. What can you see in the bedroom?
I can see uh, a picture, a window, a mirror, a bed, and a girl.
Very
And
good. Uh-huh.
it's a hairbrush. Hairbrush.
Wow, nice, Mary. All right. So for this one, I'm gonna give you additional 5 stars. One, two, three, four, five. Well done, Mary. You're so smart. Okay. Now in here, let's practice our grammar. Look at the picture and look at it carefully. Okay, so we have picture A and picture B. So which picture do you want to choose? Because we're going to have a memory game. I'm going to ask you a question and let's see how far you can remember the picture.
Picture. Ay,
What picture? Picture A. Okay, now listen and say yes or no. Oh, I will let you look at the picture for 3 seconds. One, two, three. All right, ready or not? I'm gonna ask you something. Are
yeah.
there any purple chairs in the picture?
No.
No, there aren't. Very good. I want you to answer in a complete sentence. Okay. Is there a green blanket in the picture?
Yes, there are.
No, there isn't. There is a red blanket. Okay, now, is there a computer in the picture?
No, there isn't.
Yes, oh, yeah, no, there isn't. Okay. Is there a bookshelf in the picture?
Mm, no, there isn't.
Yes, there is. Okay. Are there any books in the picture?
Yes, there are.
Nice, Mary. Okay, now, is there a book under the bed in the picture?
No, there isn't.
Yes, there is. All right, now, last one. Is there a flower near the window?
No, there isn't.
Yes, there is. Okay, so we've got flower, a book, a red blanket, two green chairs. So I'm going to give you 1, 2, and 3 stars. All right. Now, this time, Mary, I want you to look at the second picture. Ask me 5 questions about using is there and are there.
Um, there's a lamp on the table.
Yes, there is. So you can say, is there a lamp on the table? Why do we use is there? Because there's only one lamp. We use are there if you are mentioning more than one things. All right, Mary?
Okay.
All right. So try again, Mary.
Mm, is there the mm, is there the computer on in is there the computer in the bedroom?
Yes, there is.
Mm, are there two picture on the wall?
One more, please.
Are there the picture on the wall?
Okay, are there pictures on the wall? Yes, there are. Nice, Mary. Thank you so much for answering, for asking me questions. You've got one, too. Are you ready to count your stars, Mary?
Okay.
All right, so let's count. Oh, do you know how to count by five? 5, 10, 15. Do you know how to count it like that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's count by five. 5,
5,
10,
5, 10, 15, or 20, 25. Um,
30,
30.
and 34. All right. So you've got 34 stars. Very good, Mary. Thank you so much for joining our class. By the way, Mary, I turned off my camera because we have no electricity. So it's dark when you see me. Okay, I hope you understand. Have a good night, Mary. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.